ligands are treated as point charges, which may be either ions or may be neutral molecules such as water, ammonia, etc. Ions such as fluoride and chloride and etc. The ligand transition metal cation is surrounded by ligand molecules with lone pair of electrons. The transition metal cation is surrounded by ligand with lone pair of electrons. The interaction in between the central metal ion and ligand is purely electrostatic, that is ionic. The valence electron of metal is repelled by the negative field of ligand. Hence these electrons occupy the d orbital having lobe away from the direction of the ligand. The degenerate d orbital in free metal ion have their genericity destroyed by the negative field of ligand, by the approach of ligand and their repulsive interaction, and hence the splitting of d orbital. And their due to this repulsive interaction, the splitting of the orbital occurs to become stable. The effect of ligand on the d orbital depends on its number, nature, and arrangement. The color of transition metal complex can be explained on the basis of transition in between the d orbital. The magnetic properties of transition metal cation can be explained on the basis of splitting of d orbital in different crystal field.